Rivers local government poll. Protest rocks PDP Secretariats. Protest erupted at the People's Democratic Party Secretariat in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, on Thursday, as tensions rise ahead of the local government election scheduled for October 5th, 2024. The protesters, who arrived in large numbers at the party secretariat, forced security operatives to step into control of the crowd and manage traffic congestion in the area, reports as gathered by Channels Television. The unrest follows growing concerns over the delay in the release of 2023 voters register by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. Recall that reports had Justice Peter Alifu of the Federal High Court in Abuja, in a ruling delivered on September 30th, 2024, barred INEC from releasing the voters register to Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission due to legal challenges. Despite the court ruling, Governor Siminalayi Fubara maintained that the election would go on as planned. Fubara expressed confidence that the Supreme Court's earlier ruling, which mandated that all states in the Federation must have democratically elected local government executives, support his position. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.